Hello everyone! Shoutout po sa inyong lahat and gusto ko lang po i-congratulate ang aming Tatay Director Dapper PH for the new channel of Dapper Squad, the Center Stage Show. Ayan, please support Dapper Squad channel guys and we will give you full entertainment. Of course, mag-enjoy po kayo dahil maraming pasabog ang ipapakita ng ating mga Dapper Squad Divas, Prime Timer and community of Dapper PH. See you guys, see you. Thank you so much. I love you, Tatay. Good luck and God bless.